Hi, my name is Gareth and welcome to 101 TechBits. On this channel, I can give you tips, tricks and tutorials for various software programs and operating systems such as Windows that I've used over the years and hopefully assist you in getting the most out of these programs, whether it be secret shortcut keys or processes that can save you time, anything like that. This is a channel that you can find those at. I should try and release videos once a week or so, and try and have various series, for example SketchUp series, AutoCAD series, various programs I use, Photoshop, CAD programs, SolidWorks, etc., as well as Windows, and hopefully later, once the channel's established, also some DIY projects, some technical DIY projects and restoration projects that I do. So stay tuned for that and like and subscribe. It really helps someone like me just starting out. And yep, see you later. Bye.